Where'd this stuff come from?
Blocked it off.
Oh, this is for blocking it off.
Trying to eat through.
Building was hit on the side of the drive-thru. She ran southbound 41.
She ran that way? Like how long ago? She back there right now?
5 minutes ago.
What is she wearing?
Shorts.
Was it farther?
What?
Is it farther?
What?
9 to 8. Did she go down farther than where I'm at right now?
Check that behind you. Who's that behind you? Who's behind you?
This?
Behind you.
There's somebody walking.
I know. Go look by the traffic cones. I think I see somebody over there.
Excuse me, ma'am. Stay on the sidewalk. I'm gonna assume you were the one that was driving the car.
What?
I'm gonna assume you were driving the car.
No. No.
No?
No. No, I'm looking for them. They left me.
Okay, relax, relax. I want you to maybe
They left me.
have a seat. Have a seat. Just have a seat right now. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Can you please call my mother?
We will talk about it, but right now, I need you to have a seat.
Please, can you call my mom?
Have a seat.
She'll come get me.
I don't care right now. Right now, I'm investigating something, so I need you to have a seat. It's either that or I put you in cuffs. One of the two. How do you want to play it?
You want me to sit down?
I want you to sit down.
You a bitch.
Yeah, sit down. Sit down.
Can I call my mom?
Well, we'll talk about that in a minute. What's your name?
Maria.
Maria what? 10-4, I believe I'm going to be 10-12. Is there anybody? They see anybody else in the vehicle? She's advising that other people were in the area.
Was there anybody else that you saw in the vehicle? She's trying to claim there was other people.
No, you had to ask my boss. He was the only one out there.
He jumped out.
Who jumped out?
The guy, I don't even know who his name is.
So you're just in a car with somebody you don't know?
Well, our friend.
Okay.
He said, that's our homeboy, whatever. He jumped out.
Excuse me. Was she with anybody else, or was it just her?
By herself.
8 to 9. They're saying it's 54 and anybody else being in the vehicle. It was just her.
10-4.
He jumped out. He said, oh yeah, fuck y'all.
So, what you got any injuries?
No. Mama. Can I call my mom?
Okay, we'll call your mom in a minute.
Can I call my mother?
We will call your mom. Listen to me. Slow down. You're not a child. You're an adult. So I don't need to call your mom.
Because I didn't do shit.
You're yelling at me, so I don't. That's not how it's working.
I didn't do shit. So why are you talking to crazy?
Why am I talking to you crazy? Because I got witnesses that say you were in that car by yourself.
That's crazy as fuck.
Weird.
Yeah.
No.
Go looking for it.
Okay.
I was not by myself. That's crazy.
She was alone.
Yeah.
She's saying there was somebody else.
She said that there was somebody else in the car with her.
Does mean like 5 other people that left. So they heard
There was
police.
5 people in that car.
Yes. It says they heard police. Goodbye. I stay.
Oh, it wasn't the fact is that y'all just crashed into Taco Bell? That didn't give it away? That we were to show up?
Either way, we're not gonna stay there.
All right, Maria, do me a favor. Stand up for me. Stand
Am
up.
I being arrested?
Right now, you're being placed in cuffs. I'll tell you that right now.
For what? For what?
Right now, you're being detained. Okay?
For what?
We're gonna go do an investigation and figure out what's going on with this car.
You're doing what? I'm not fighting you, but
I hope not.
so why am I being arrested?
Right now, you just let the scene of an accident.
Why am I being arrested?
Right now, you're being placed in cuffs. I never said that you're being arrested right now. Right now, you're being detained.
For what?
And what's gonna be happening is we're going up to Taco Bell. And we're gonna talk to the officer over there and figure out what's going on over here.
I didn't even go to Taco Bell.
I got witnesses that say you were at Taco Bell.
I was in Taco Bell, huh?
Well, you didn't actually make it to Taco Bell. You got anything on you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Well, we're just gonna check.
So
real
can you
quick to
please
make sure.
look? Why am I? Hold on.
First off, I'm not gonna be checking.
Am
you.
I being detained?
That's exactly what I told
For what?
you. 54. We're
For
transporting.
what?
Who
What am I
are
being
you yelling
detained
at?
for? What am I being detained for?
For leaving the scene of an accident.
What are you talking about?
Would you stop? Stop. Just stop, Maria. All right? Just stop. I already explained to you. I'm not going to explain it again. Do you have anything that's in your pockets that's going to hurt us?
No.
It's not?
No.
Well, we're gonna find out real quick. You got any drugs on you or anything?
All right, let's stand up. Come on.
How about you just stop doing that?
Bruh, can I call my mama?
You can call your mama later.
Y'all gonna regret that shit.
How about you just stand up normal?
What the f are you mad for? I didn't do shit.
Okay. Come on. We're gonna be transporting her up to you right now.
Can I understand what I'm going to jail for?
You're detained right now until we figure out what happened.
Okay, detained, right?
Yes.
So
Right
what am
now,
I detained for?
Because we have a car in Taco Bell, and we have witnesses that saw you run from the car. So that's why you're detained right now, okay? So we just figure it out. Put your feet inside. Appreciate it.
Okay, but what am I detained for?
Leaving the scene of an accident.
I didn't leave shit.
Huh?
Nothing happened.
Tell me that there's no accident when you get up there.
So, what happened?
I mean, that car did it. What the heck was wrong? I have no idea.
Right?
You're the manager, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to show up for me real quick?
What?
Show up where we just like.
We'll drive you down there, see if you can identify who this actually was. You saw her, right?
Yeah, I've seen it.
She's like right there. It will only take like a couple minutes. It's just
Well, she got shorts on. I know she got shorts
yeah,
on.
we have someone detained though, and it just helps us if you can just drive by with us and then.
You gonna come with us?
June! Take a walk. I'll be right back.
Just so you know, there's signal 57 on the floorboard, and there's a car seat in the back. Are we sure that?
He said that there was nobody else.
Okay.
You witnessed the whole thing, right? And there was nobody else in the car.
Nobody.
All right, sir, you're gonna come in our car. It's a little bit further down, okay?
Am I being detained?
Maria, yes, again, yes. Okay?
What the f am I being questioned for?
You
What
pull up
the
Maria.
f am I being questioned for?
I already told you, Maria.
No,
I
man,
did.
What not? I have one night, my baby. I have a babysitter, right? I can't even have one night to myself without it being a problem.
So let Zone 9 know on the radio you're 51 for a show up, and they should put some lights on her so he can see.
Stand by.
Hey, can you call my mother? Ahora!
Mira,
¿Por qué?
sácate.
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? Call her!
You better chill.
Call her!
Maria, step out.
¿Por qué? Why?
Look at
Call
that car.
my mom!
Maria, you are not a
Call
child.
her! Hello?
Deanna.
Yeah, that's her.
All right. Thank you.
Stop.
10-4?
Call her! Bro, call her! Stop. Call my mother!
We will.
¿Por qué? Look. Can you call my mom?
9-7, can you confirm again?
That was 10-4.
10-4. 9-8. You want us to transfer it back up to you?
10-4.
All right, get up. Step back in.
Where is she?
Get in the car.
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
Diana.
¿Dónde está?
Diana.
Bro, why you? Y'all don't
Yo,
do that.
You better put the foot down.
I'm not.
You better put the foot down. You better sit in there right now.
Yo,
You're
a
gonna catch
bitch.
another charge.
Deanna.
Okay, as soon as my lawyer hears this. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
As soon as my lawyer hears this, there's no
You
reason.
want us to transport?
9-8. We're gonna be 51 of you.
Is this where'd this stuff come from?
Blocked it off.
Oh, this is for blocking it off.
Cars were trying to ease through there. Yeah, they were still trying to ease through there after this, so we had to try to block it off.
She's kicking my feet.
What are you doing?
What the fuck am I in here for?
I already told you.
What the fuck? Call my mother.
I'm not gonna call your mother. You're not a child. Okay? Right now you're acting like one though.
My mama.
You do something to this car, you're gonna catch another charge. You got me?
Call my mama.
I'm not gonna call your mama. You better not kick this car again.
You're gonna be sorry as fuck.
Okay, good. Awesome. What are you kicking?
What the fuck did I do? Why am I?
I'm not gonna play that game, bro.
Okay, well, if she kicks one of you, she's getting a battery charge.
Listen, we're done with this right now. Do me a favor. Show me your feet right now. Kick your feet out.
So can y'all call my mama?
Put your feet back in. Put your feet back in.
Can y'all call my
Marie,
mom?
put your foot back in now.
Oh my fucking mother!
Can we talk real quick?
No, fucking Chris Pratt.
I'm gonna close this door.
Chris Pratt.
I'm gonna roll down the window.
Chris Pratt.
Okay.
Chris Pratt.
Okay.
Call him.
Okay.
I never gave y'all one single problem.
Put your feet in. Leave them there. Close it.
Where did you see her coming from? Which way?
Well, I didn't see her. I was sitting there in the back of my car. I was sitting in the back of the car smoking a cigarette. And then I heard, like, maybe her time might have went out or something. And then I heard the time. And then I heard the crash, the boom. Then I went to the side of the building to see what happened. And that's when I see her climbing out the driver's car. And she said, call my mama. And then I told her to call 911 because she seen that we was calling.
While officers wrap up the investigation at Taco Bell, the suspect is taken to the hospital for medical clearance. But here's what hits harder than the crash: the fact that she showed zero emotion, no regret, no concern. In over 20 years of watching human behavior from the front row, I've never been more convinced conscience is dying. And in many states, leaving the scene with just property damage? A mere $250 fine or 15 days in jail. That's all. Hopefully, this becomes a lesson for someone before it's too late.
Off on foot. Ever since we got her, she's been a little bit combative, so. 6 hours.
Come on. Can I walk? Thank you. Can I walk? Yeah, come on. Are you sure?
Yes. Step out of the car.
Good?
You want the wheelchair?
Do I deserve it? Why? Why am I being treated like a piece of shit?
We're treating you like anything. We're giving you a wheelchair.
Bro, what the f is wrong with y'all?
All we're doing is go inside.
So what am I going to jail for?
We've already told you many times. Here, hold on. Let me get these. I don't get a trip.
I have to pee.
The quicker you get in, it's literally like a 3-minute drive. It's a 3-minute drive. That's all it is.
So y'all want me to pee back here, yeah?
No, please don't. Please don't.
Bro, I gotta pee.
We gotta go.
No, I'm not even being funny. Like, I have to pee.
We're gonna get you down
First,
as
she
quickly as
blamed the
possible.
victim. But when that failed, her real face showed. No shame, no remorse. She asked cops to call her mom even though she's a grown adult. But what if someone was in the path of that crash? A family member, a friend. Until people like this care, people like us will keep paying the price. Her charges? DUI ×2, open container, marijuana, property damage, and more. She's innocent until proven guilty. But this